gentle rhythm, a sweet refrain, warm piano notes like drops that fall, echoing hope through it all. The piano hums in a mellow tone, each key a story, each note alone. Rain whispers secrets to the breeze, a calming song among the trees, a quiet pulse, a steady beat, the heart of spring beneath our feet. Piano sways, rain softly plays, a hopeful tune for brighter days. Textiles layer, the warmth expands, a dreamy haze through shifting sands. Raindrops dance, a fleeting chance to lose yourself in life's romance. Rain fades, but the melody stays. Piano lingers in soft sun rays, a peaceful sigh, a hopeful cry. Spring reverie, a gentle